Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex.homepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. If you stick around to the end of the video here, I'll give you an update on the potential for maybe some winter weather, including some snow late in the upcoming weekend. In the short term, we do have a cold front that is on the way tomorrow, so that is going to bring us our next chance of rain. But today should be a pretty enjoyable day. It is cold this morning in the 30s and 40s, and the winds will switch around to the east. Pretty light wind throughout the day today, and a little bit later with all the sunshine, we should have highs back into the 60s, maybe a few degrees cooler than yesterday, just given the colder start that many of us are seeing this morning. But just really nice weather through the afternoon today. Cold front from yesterday continues to move off to the east. High pressure building in today, so that's why we'll see all the sunshine. We'll have that kind of dry wind with us, and you can see our next storm system starting to dig into the Rockies here. This will be a pretty quick mover for us tomorrow, so we're not looking at multiple days of heavy rain here, but there's first look at your Tuesday. Again, we should see plenty of sun out there today. And then tomorrow, likely we'll see the clouds increase tonight. We could start to pick up some rain in the morning, and you'll see this cold front start to come together, meaning we'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially during the late morning and afternoon. And we'll feel the temperature drop, especially later in the day, so actually maybe warmer in some areas in the morning than it will be in the afternoon, and you can see the rain fairly widespread. Happy to say we're not in the severe weather outlook, but we could definitely have a few thunderstorms, especially south of I-20, and then as we get into Wednesday night, most of the rain will wrap up here, but Thursday setting up to be one of those days where we just see a lot of cloud cover and some cold temperatures. Wouldn't be surprised if highs on Thursday across much of the region were actually in the 40s. Pretty good blast of rain once again. Could see some 1 to 2 inch accumulations, and coming off the heavy rain last week, again, we probably shouldn't see many issues if we get an inch or two of rain, but if we were to see somewhat higher amounts here, that's something we'll have to watch tomorrow. Could see some isolated issues, especially where we pick up maybe closer to 2 inches of rain, which may be a little bit overcooked, but you get the idea. We'll see a decent shot of rain on Wednesday. We'll likely be dry much of the day Thursday, Friday, as well as Saturday. We're looking at Saturday here, and we'll start out the weekend dry, but you can see this next cold front really starts to dig in here on Sunday, and the rain kind of changing over into maybe what will be a snow mix and maybe even some sleet as well. You can see the winds will be directly out of the north here, so we're going to get some pretty cold temperatures through the day on Sunday, and it will be close, but we could definitely see a changeover, especially later in the afternoon, evening, if the rain is sticking around. This is by no means a slam dunk. The forecast models can change. They can come in a little bit warmer. The storm system can stay a few hundred miles to our north. So again, there's a lot of question marks here, but I'm just kind of putting it on everybody's radar screen here just to watch the forecast for Sunday. But it looks like if we did see any winter weather, it would wrap up by Monday morning. So look at your 7-day forecast. This will be kind of the final warm day of the week as we'll start to feel those temperatures drop with the cold front tomorrow. Pretty chilly to wrap up the week. We should have highs in the 40s and 50s each night late this week. We'll be close to freezing, and there's that chance of the mixed precipitation for us on Sunday, and likely some cold temperatures to start next week as well.